Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Blade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset all settings on this device, how to perform factory reset using just normal settings application. So firstly, you need to open the settings app, then scroll down and find your system. Choose advanced. Click Reset Options and choose Erase All Data, Delete All. Confirm your pattern and click Delete All Data. And wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.